Hey there, I'm Roux, and welcome to my my video. If you're an avid consumer of my videos, welcome back, subscriber-rooney. So, in my perusing around the interwebs, I found a couple of videos about people forcing other people to clear their desks. Specifically, Conan did it to one of his employees, and Jimmy Kimmel did it to one of his employees. I think it was those two. And as I watched them, I thought to myself, gee, this is entertaining. Also, if their desks are bad, like so bad that they will like make a video about it, where your famous boss makes a video about it just to like clear out the crap on your desk, what is mine? Because I'm pretty sure mine is worse. So after seeing that, I came to the conclusion that maybe I too should do a desk makeover video. It's much nicer to be there now. Like, I can't, like, state firmly enough, I don't know, enthusiastically enough just how fabulous my life has been after I got my desk organized. Because when you have chaos all around you, it really infiltrates your ability to think. It's like, oh, there's just chaos all around me. It's hard to organize your brain because it's just chaos, chaos, chaos. So I'm really happy I got it done. You know, do you think I did a good job? I hope you do. I mean, I did it for myself, but you know, it would be nice to get some validation. Comment below, and you know, subscribe and click the like button and you know, the bell icon and all that jazz. Yeah. See you next time.